Organisational culture is important for early career female researchers, or ECFRs, to advance in research institutions. But factors including awareness of career opportunities, long-term role availability, and movement between sectors or disciplines can deter talented academics. The She Can project, led by Professor Pola Oppenheimer from the School of Chemical Engineering, aims to create a more supportive, rewarding, and secure culture for ECFRs from diverse backgrounds and lived experiences. She Can promotes an accessible culture through workshops and focus groups that gather opinions and perceptions from EPS and university communities. We host guest panels and Q&As with researchers and female entrepreneurs, run hands-on activities in schools, exhibitions, and science festivals to raise awareness and inspire the next generation into science, and train ECFRs to help them engage with audiences. At the university level, initiatives highlighting International Women's Day and establishing the Gender Balance Network keeps the conversation in everyone's minds. She Can encourages ECFRs to take charge of their academic careers, broadening career paths, removing barriers, and creating aspirations for leadership roles.